Locksmith Guide. This will only be the basic ideas. I'll do a combat guide next. The locksmith is not made for combat. Always get an extra life if you can. This floor is a good example of the skill. Locksmith have the skill to open any bronze lock. Passive of the locksmith is a low aggro range. I used a key by accident. As you see, very small range of notice. If they're in the light, that means they're aggro. Yet as you see, it's easy to flee the aggro. I like to look around just in case there's golden staircase or chest. This floor is our attack 1, so just find the most easiest route to the next floor. Since you can lockpick, always get the loot in a golden floor since you'll lose aggro. Any AoE perk is good since you're not meant for combat. The AoE perk I have is good too. Wait for it to do damage. Less of a chance of you taking damage. On this floor, just wait for them to come you and let the perk do the damage. If you're lucky, get the star box, but HP is always good as a locksmith. It's better to kill on open maps like these, since they block the door. This you can easily get to the next floor, but check just in case. This boss is easy, so I'm gonna speed it up. This perk is not that good, since you're not a damage hero. Attack for HP basically. It's up to you on the boss, yet the one I choose is the worst in my opinion for this hero, and I'll show you why. This is another boss, but I like speed up clips of these fights. I'll do a combat guide on the bosses if you want to watch them. Now to the boss. Power dance first. This boss not fun. You have to damage the hands first. I'll do a guide for this boss, but I just suck at dodging this video. Gonna speed this up a bit. You cannot, from what I know, lockpick a boss floor. The locksmith is a good hero, yet lacks attack skills, but doesn't mean that it makes them bad. With perks and skill, you can win easily. Hope you like. Please tell me if you need anything clarified.